What a productive day! It feels so good to accomplish everything we intended or planned for a day. How to do that without too much stress? Continue watching and find out. Happy present moment, welcome. I'm your host, Jeanette Salvatierra, and this is your channel, JeanetteSalvatierraTV. Many of my clients get excited when they realize all the things they do during a normal day after applying the strategies I teach them. The key? Well, actually, there are more than one key. This approach has been working for me and for so many of my clients that I will share for you for the first time in a video the highlights of my Plan a Day, Productive Day. This is a strategy or a set of strategies that are integrated into my Conscious Productivity program, which I teach in workshops and in one-on-one sessions. You can go to my website and send me a direct message using the contact form or email me to my Gmail account. I will leave the link below, and I will explain to you all the details and how it works, and you can decide if this program is what are you looking for. Oh, what's last thing? Before we continue, please subscribe to this channel and click on the little bell to receive automatic notifications as soon we release new videos. Okay, let's talk about how to plan a productive day. First of all, you have already created a vital map for a year where you have identified your main objectives. And each objective is important to be aligned with every single vital area of your life. And of course, you have chosen your priorities. Let's say that your priorities, at least for this example, will be eat healthy, spend quality time with your life partner, and grow your business sales. You have already created a list of key tasks, activities, or steps to achieve each one of these goals. You have also identified your chronotype, so you know, for instance, that you are a lion and you need to sleep at least 7 continuous hours to function properly. So you have up to 1 hour for productive breaks during your days. Next thing you want to do is to plan on writing how you will use the time during the day. You can use a traditional blank notebook, a planner or paper agenda, an electronic calendar application, or a productivity application. Each of these options has its benefits and are suitable to personal preference. Well, let's say you are like the majority of my clients and you choose an electronic calendar. I use Google Calendar myself, but you can use any other you might prefer. For instance, your employers to have everything in one place. This is ideal. Your plan or calendar should reflect all the activities, personal and professional ones. If you decide to use your employer's or corporate electronic calendar, you can use the privacy setting on the application to allow or restrict others access to your personal plans, or even to your list of daily tasks or appointments. Your calendar may already show your wake-up times and bedtimes. Since you're a lion, at least for this example, you may wake up, let's say, around 6:30 a.m. and go to sleep around 11:30 p.m. to get your 7 hours sleep. Remember, this is just an example. You probably may need, as a lion, up to 8 to 10 hours to sleep. So plan your wake and bedtimes accordingly. Now we know we have available time from 6:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. This fact gives you 17 hours for all other activities. Now, let's remember our priorities. Eat healthy, spend quality time with your life partner, grow your business sales. The first task you may record in your agenda are the ones related to your priorities. I will say it again, this is really, really important. The first task or set of tasks you may record in your agenda are the ones aligned to your priorities. Record the main activities related to your first priority. And in this example, are the meals. Let's say breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And of course, the snacks. Probably one at mid-morning, another one at mid-afternoon. Since our second priority is to spend quality time with your life partner, you may choose, for instance, to have breakfast or dinner with him or her, or if you work together, you can have lunch together instead of the other two. Since your third priority is to grow sales for your business, you can use a meal time to ask an important client to discuss a proposal. But if you are like me, who believes that the concept of working lunch is an oxymoron, let's leave our meal times as personal times and concentrate the activity around closing sales and growing your sales for the business on work time exclusively. If you use 3 hours in total for our meals and 1 hour for the snacks that you can also use as a productive break, 30 minutes for each break, the 30 minutes for the mid-morning break and 30 minutes for the mid-afternoon break. We still got 13 hours for work. Remember to consider commuting time, waiting time, for instance, for a delayed client, or what we call dead time. You can also use productively this dead time, but this is subject probably for another video. As for your 13 hours devoted to your main priorities for your professional areas, meaning growing your business sales, depending on the nature of your business, the sales processes, and the specific activities in your sales cycle, you may use the entire 13 hours of work exclusively for this task or other related sales tasks, such as planning, advertisement, creating content, resolving customer issues, etc. Planning the specifics of your work time, in our case, a total of 13 hours, may include using productivity processes as the Pomodoro technique, other automatic systems and tools. In conclusion, to plan a productive day, you require to know your chronotype, to know, of course, your goals and priorities for the midterm, use a, let's say, device to record the task and keep it handy, and use common sense. You probably will find soon that certain days follows a pattern. Then you can use the plan you already built for another day or for another typical day and repeat it. Also, some activities such as meals, productive breaks, physical exercise, and family time, you don't have to record anymore. These become recurring appointments. Happens really like habits. You simply do and continue with the rest of your activities of your day. However, if you work in a team or you have a personal assistant who handles your agenda for you, you may like to register on your calendar your personal time and mark that slots as personal time. So everybody knows that these times or this slot of times are blocked and non-negotiable. Don't touch it. This is my personal time. Do you like these tips? How much do you already plan your day? Leave me your answers on the comment section. And come back to see my upcoming videos with more productivity tips and the answers to questions from the audience. Your question may be answered in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching, blessings, and see you soon in a new episode of Jeanette Salvatierra TV.